Your what? Your suction? Yeah. I'm gonna tie my shoes.
Shut up.
Don't mess up.
OCD, leave me alone.
Don't mess up. I'm recording.
I know you are.
Good. I said that weird. I'm not holding you like that.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
That was.
Today, we're gonna be cleaning the car. Disgusting.
It's got a bad transmission.
Come look inside the car.
No. I'm trying to show them stuff.
Okay, we'll show them the inside of the car.
We check out these rims. Look at how gross. Wait, can you see the brake dust? Like, is it that dirty? Ew, you can.
Oh.
You can.
Oh.
That's terrible.
Oh.
That's so gross.
Okay.
Look, you can see it. Lovely.
Look, there's a rock in the caliper.
Look at it. Where?
Down in this one, you can see it there.
Oh, I see.
I mean, we could do it before, saying like where we show the car dirty, and then just cut it, and then show it clean.
Are we gonna do the
And
trunk
then
too?
do a vlog.
We're gonna do the trunk too. This is way too close to your face. Back up. We got it out the mud. Where your chain at?
It may or may not have went in the washer.
Your neck gonna turn green. It's not as bad, but I think it's so loose. Are we gonna clean this? Yeah. Why is this black? But that's tan.
Good question. Don't ask me, ask Toyota.
Weirdos.
Alrighty,
This is gonna be fun.
Shop back, shop back, shop back.
Cheese. Cheese. Focus on Ryan. So cool. What?
Shop back, not cord
Get an extension cord. We got mad extension cords here. Okay, well then connect that one to the one that you have set up to your system. The one that's set up to the sub. Wait, no. Did on my face a bunch.
Who's gonna buy this?
I don't know, Ryan, and you're trying to sell it for way too expensive for what it's
I
worth.
might get 2,000 out of it.
Mom?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's if it's in good condition.
No, that's if it's in poor condition.
No, me and my dad talked about it. If it's in good condition, you'll get maybe 2.
Not this car.
Yes, Ryan. That's actually not a bad idea. It's actually really good. Not that bad. So we're gonna clean out this car, yeah, right? Yeah. I don't know how to English. Anyways, we're gonna clean out this car. It would have been really nice if we could take out the seats and like actually scrub the below the seats, but his mom won't let us. Which, I mean, I guess I understand. What if they mess something up? And yeah, that would just suck. So we're gonna do our best. I feel like a lot of the stuff that we're gonna clean is gonna fall apart, especially like that. Like I feel like when you put like the chemicals to it, it might just start peeling up. But you know, we're gonna do our best. You know, it's everybody keeps saying it's an old car, but if you ask me, it's not that old. But if you ask me, an '84 Monte Carlo's not old. So there he is. Yeah.
So,
What'd you get? What's that?
the one from around the door frame.
Did it rip a bunch of paint? Yeah. Why'd you do that one? I told
Because my mom said that I could.
Your mom said it was okay to rip the paint.
Yep.
Oh.
Said we have extra paint left over.
Okay, cool.
Oh my god.
Gonna use this nice shop vac. Wait a minute, Ryan. I'm gonna do some cinematics. I'm gonna do some cinematics. Orion in his natural habitat. I mean, you can see yourself in the chrome.
Because it's good. It's shiny and it's good. Car's worth the money. You want to buy it?
Actually, yeah.
$6 grand.
$1 grand.
$6 grand.
My truck is $6 grand.
I can get $2 grand out of it.
My truck is $6 grand.
I can mark it for 35.
As a matter of fact, if you want to buy my truck for $6 grand, I don't really think I'm gonna get $6 grand out of it. You can, or you can trade my truck for a Cat Eye, 05 Silverado 1500.
All right, guys, we're just about to start getting the carpet. We cleaned everything else so far. Got the whole doors and stuff fixed up as best as we could. Gabe right now is just gonna spray the stuff on the carpet so we can scrub it. It's not gonna be fun. I got all of that. We're gonna scrub the trunk too, right? Or does it need it? All right, cool. But yeah, I'm halfway done. Almost there. And then we're gonna do the outside of the car in the next video. I'll see y'all then.
Okay. And we're back.
Sir,
That's so gay.
3.5 hours.
We're not even done. We still have to do the seats. I told you, the leather care, and then well, I guess, but still, that still counts. If we
just spraying white.
if we give half energy to the last part, then it's not gonna be full clean. Yeah. Oh, just died. This is, I mean, compared to what it was, it's better. Why won't it open? Why is it taking so long?
Because it's getting hot.
Is it on manual focus or auto? We got this crap off, which I'm really happy about. But everything else came out pretty clean. I mean, the carpets are as good as they're gonna get. The dash has got a crap ton of lint on it, which is annoying, but...
I wonder if this stuff is it at all.
I doubt it. It's supposed to leave like a shine or something like that. But anyway, got in the doors and stuff like that.
Looks like it is.
It is?
Yeah.
It's supposed to shine it up and stuff, so it might.
That's not lint, Gabe. I don't know what that is, but it's not lint.
Weird. But anyways. Yeah. I mean, it's cleaner. This was annoying. It just started spreading everywhere, but yeah. We'll live. Yeah.
A bird pooped on my Jeep that I cleaned.
You gonna cry about it? Why'd you close the trunk?
Oh, because you didn't do anything there. I just vacuumed it.
Yeah, sure. It's an empty trunk. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Now seats. And then, yeah. We'll be back.
No. Hey guys. Oh gosh. We're back. We kind of started cleaning a car, and then Gabe was like, we should probably record. But yeah, we got a little. Oh, shoot, nuggets. Got.
It's not turning off.
Shh. Got a little setup. We got a little car wash going on here. Let us know if you want us to wash your car.
I'll wash your car for free. No, I'm lying. I'm lying. I won't do it for free.
I'll do it for $5. I got that too. I'll wash your car for $5.
Back up. I don't want to get stuff on the camera.
We'll wash the car for $10.
I'll wash your car. I'll do it for free. Did you clean all the rims?
Yeah.
All of them?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do it for free.
Hey, bro, let me get the dish show. Hey, $2, bro. $2.
Hey, hold up.
You gotta do that. Hey, bro, you want me to clean your windows?
Hey, bro. I'll clean your windows for $2, bro. Hey, bro, you want me to clean your windows? $2, bro. $2.
Bro, you're getting soap everywhere. Stop.
Your mom's gonna kill me.
She's gonna kill you.
That's okay.
But yeah, this is just kind of beginner check-in.
Beginner?
For
Intro.
beginning.
It's the intro.
Beginning check-in, intro, whatever you want to call it. Check-in, yeah, sure. We got food cooking too.
I don't know where I put my towel.
It's in there somewhere.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
It
Oh,
is.
yeah, it is.
Okay, well, we'll see y'all later.
Wait, look. I don't know why I like that.
We'll see y'all later.
Alrighty, guys. So car's clean. I think we did a really good job. If you ask me, I think it looks good. I mean, hey, like, come on now. Look how sexy this rear light is. Not this one. That's Ryan's light. Look how sexy this rear light is. That's my light, and that light came out good. Your light's trash.
Don't even. Shut up.
Make me, as I thought. But yeah, this is my side. My side is looking kind of smexy. Stop, Ryan. I have the camera.
We'll move.
Why is he ruining my side? You know, you can die in a hole.
No, maybe I will.
Now we gotta put the black magic on it. Hold on, give me a second. I gotta tighten this. There we go. Okay, but yeah. So, interior's clean, exterior's clean. I don't know why we did that. It's probably gonna rain in the next couple of days because Illinois weather. But it was fun. It's really cold, and I really want to go in the house. Not to mention our food is probably done. It's probably burnt. Ryan, turn that off. But yeah. Okay, she actually looks kind of nice when she's clean.
We gotta clean up our mess still.
And we didn't clean the inside of the windows, but I'm not gonna stress over that
At all.
at all. It's too freaking cold.
No, for real. It still look good.
It look good. It look good. Clean. You want to put the black magic on the tires? Huh? You said no?
No. I'll do it. But do I want to? No, I'm too cold. Don't matter. How's this rock get all the way over there?
That looks like a paper mache rock. That is not right. On the tire, not the rim. Okay, she continues to put it on the rim. Are you autistic? when your stuff corrodes, you're terrible at
Maybe
this.
I can help her out.
No, okay, stop it.
You know what? Maybe she might appreciate it.
Okay, leave it.
Think her boyfriend would appreciate it if I gave her a headlight cleaning kit?
Put the stuff on the tires. You're terrible at this. Get over here. Oh, right there. There you go. Look at that light. Actually look clean. It's not a bunch of oxidation and stuff.
I know. It's just on the top though. It's up here.
Yeah, that little bit. That'll buff out. It'll buff out. It is really freaking cold. It's freezing.
It doesn't even feel hot. It just feels mild.
Mild. 6 piece with mild sauce. 6 piece mild.
The 2 piece
Oh
mild.
god, some Harold sounds good right now.
Nah, for real. But we got them beefs cooking with the yum yum sauce, bro.
I love yum yum sauce. I love yum yum sauce. That was, but we're done cleaning the car. It's really freaking cold and we have to eat, so we're gonna finish the rest of this video later, most likely. I don't know. Let's see what Brian says.
Okay. Stop the video.
Forrester.
Yes, Forrester. Alright. Hope y'all having a good day. Have a good night. I'll see y'all later.
A good day.